you. Eva Trades.
Hello friends, and thank you for joining me today here at Eva Trades. So today we're going to live trade as usual, and we're going to go break down some tickers, take a look at what's hopping, what's moving today, and see if we can find something worth trading. So let's get the party started. And here's a look at our scanners this morning. So I hope your morning is going well. I hope that you were able to make some money yesterday. It was a slow start to the day, but we ended up having some momentum yesterday. We had a little bit on Friday, so I kind of thought maybe we might start to see the market turn around just a little and start to see some momentum come back. And today we have that on SLNO. Our leading gapper this morning, and it has all of the criteria that I look for in a stock. It has lots of volume, so lots of interest from other traders. It has a very low float, so very few shares available to trade, which makes the stock move really fast. The price is a little on the high side, but it's not terribly high. And it has news. It's a healthcare stock, so check all the boxes there. So that's my leading pick, my number one pick for this morning. I'm a little maybe hesitant on it because it's got 11 million shares traded this morning. And yeah, I like high volume, but it just shows that this stock has already been traded a lot this morning. And so keeping in mind that we might be due for some consolidation on it after the bell rings. So we'll see there. We'll break that stock down in a little bit. ICPT is the next one down, gapping up 76%. But I don't trade stocks that look like this. It's just not, it's hard to see what the price action is and look at it just dropping down there. It's not worth my time. So I skip those. IMVT is the third leading gapper, and so I'm gonna be watching that one as well. I like it on the larger time frame. It looks a little messy here on the smaller time frame, so we'll break that one down too. That's my second pick of the day. VCNX. I had thought about it, but it's got a decent float, but it's pretty light on volume. It made a move here early on, but it's kind of given that back now. And it does have some news. I don't know about that one. I'm just not sure. It doesn't look too promising. And then BFRG earlier, I thought, well, maybe this one had some potential. Because around 5 o'clock, it made really, really nice move, but it just sold off. So I'm no longer interested in trading that one. So I'm going to skip that. PLRX. I don't like that. It's given back all of its move. LSXMA. That's a mouthful. No, I don't like the look of that one. Higher float. LSXMK. I haven't heard of either of those before, but I don't like either one of them. Looks like they're inverse to each other. No, maybe not. I don't know. And FSR. So I'm going to say no on that one as well. It's got a really high float. So that leaves me with only 2 stocks to watch with 10 minutes to go until the market opens. And I generally try to have at least 3, but I don't know. IMVT, I guess. Not IMVT. Which one was it? VCNX? Was that the one? I just don't like it. So no, so that's going to be it then. So just those 2 stocks for me this morning. And if you have any stocks that you're interested in, let me know. Maybe I've, missed something here on my scanner. And so now I'm going to come back over here. And this right here, this is a look at my progress in the account so far. This is phase 4. And I have 4 phases that I've traded through, starting at 34,500 in the account, starting very small share size and building and doubling my share size with each phase. And now I am looking to get to the account up to $42,000. I don't know why this says 35. I got to change that. But I need to make $4,000 and I'm already up over 2,000 in this many days. So I'm doing pretty good. Had a nice breakout day yesterday. So we'll see if I can continue that today. So this is my main screen. Let's take a look at both of these tickers. I'll start with the larger time frames, the hourly time frames first. And not a lot to really talk about here. We're just up and away. And this one looking like it might want to consolidate on the hourly. We have this red inside bar. We're at the lower end of the range. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do consolidate. So the 15-minute time frames down here. This is what I liked about IMVT. See if my drawing tool works today. Yay, it works. So we had our move up, we have our little pullback, and we have our little tightening range here. So we're tightening up and we're going to break one way or the other. And I'll mark out our resistance levels, which would be up here is the resistance there and there. And what I'm doing is marking out levels where I would want to be a buyer of the stock. So support levels are what I look at for buying. And we do have a little level there, kind of a double level. And we'll look at that on the 5-minute time frame in just a little bit. This one here, not much to mark out on this one. We'll look at this on the 5-minute as well. You'll probably see a higher low here on the 5-minute. So this was an impressive recovery. This one gave back half of its move, went sideways, was red, and then recovered up over the highs. And then you see the little back test here. That's pretty nice. And then it made a move even higher. Pretty incredible move this morning on SLNO. So I'll be watching for clues that we might start to consolidate on that larger time frame, and on IMVT I'll be watching for clues for the hourly consolidation. So the 5-minute time frames, we'll start with SLNO. I've got about 6.5 minutes until the market opens. So here's that higher low. That's my support, 1820. Bulls want to hold that level and see a move back up over 24.19. If we lose 1820, then we will be looking at 15-minute consolidation, as we'll lose the low of that last candle. And we have the EMA here catching up. So if we do lose that level, is there a place that we can buy? You have the EMA down here at $16. The volume weighted average price rather. So support way down there. 1-minute time frame. It looks like it's a falling wedge here. Whoops. Yeah, it's not the best one, but you get the point. Kind of like that. Falling wedges are often reversal patterns. So we might see this one start to make its move up. Where would I want to buy this at the open? That is the question. Will there be a trade for me at the open? I guess it depends on what it looks like here in another few more minutes. We'll revisit that. Right now, I'm not sure. Maybe a pullback to this support zone. The EMA is right here. So maybe we bounce off the EMA. Could draw a line here, but we've already broken down below that line. So that's SLNO. I don't know of any more supports I want to mark out on that one. I guess the 1-minute here, I'll mark that level. Okay. I think that'll be good. So I'll watch those levels when the bell rings in about 5 minutes. This one here, so we're watching for that 15-minute equilibrium, and looking like we're starting to make a move here on an inside bar bull break, and we probably have an equilibrium on the 5-minute time frame. It's choppy, but it's tightening up. It's a tightening range. So we want to see a break over $33 and a move up towards that 34.68 level. So yeah, this one, we have a couple of support levels. We have 3 of support levels here. So if we pull back into this area at the open, I might try to buy that. But if we break this level here, if we break these levels, we'll have hourly consolidation underway, and then I'll have to be watching for a 5-minute trend change. So let's see, we have a level down there. And here. Whoops. There we go. Okay, so there we go. Really big candle ranges on these 5-minute time frame here. I'm just setting my stop loss parameters on that. We have a couple of minutes left. We could take a look at the overall market and see what it's up to. That would be SPY. Hourly downtrend, I do believe. I tried to make an hourly uptrend here yesterday. Not a real significant higher low and higher high, but it tried. This is not showing the pre-market. Pre-market, we're trading down here at 428. Down in that area. So we're trading down here. But well, what I'm looking for is an hourly trend change back to the bulls. We want to see a convincing higher low and higher high. And then that would tell us that our daily higher low is set. And then we would look for our daily bounce to be underway. And we're just looking for that lower high on the daily, because we've dropped so far. A move way up through the highs, just straight through the highs, that is very, very improbable. Just looking for a lower high. Bulls want to see a higher low and a higher high. So we want to see a trend change back to the bulls on the daily. And that would tell us that our weekly time frame is found a bottom for now, and we will see a bounce on the weekly. Is kind of how that works. And what we're looking for overall is, where are we going to find support on this monthly time frame as we have healthy consolidation and a pullback. That's it for the overall market. Take a look here once more. Less than a minute to go. I don't think I want to jump in this one on a breakout. I really just don't know. 2211 is a double top, basically. I'm just not sure on that, really. Yeah. Well, we have 15 seconds to go, so I guess the decision will be made here pretty quick. Good luck in your trading today. Have an enjoyable trading day and take your time. It's not a race. It's just steady as she goes. And here we go. So now we're getting the pullback. IMVT pulled back a little bit, so I jumped in it. And I'm jumping into SLNO on that pullback. Here goes IMVT, breaking through the high, maybe. SLNO coming down pretty hard there. I think SLNO, well, I thought it was halted there for a second. Yeah, sell half of my position on that short bounce up, put my stop at the low on SLNO, and see what happens there. Nice move here on IMVT. I'll sell half and hold the other half. My stop down at the low of day. Nice, look at that. Sold it right there. And I'm back out of SLNO. I'm just not trusting it. So nice move here on IMVT, $199 on that trade. I bought it on the little pullback right here and looking for that 15-minute equilibrium setup to break bullish. There we go. There's the break through the high. Nice. So that's what we wanted to see. That is really awesome. I missed my trade on SLNO, but I'm going to jump in it late. I was in IMVT here looking for the breakthrough 33, 30, 35, 34. I sold it. Back in it again, looking for an immediate break. Not giving it to me. I'm going to get back out, look for maybe a pullback to 33. Oh, there's the break. Okay. That's nice. That's right through the high there. Up to $36. And I'm green now on SLNO. And I'm all out. Well, I was green on SLNO. That's right. It's got really wide spreads. I think SLNO might be halted. Yeah, SLNO is halted. I'm in it one time on that halt. So far today I'm up $256. I don't feel like I traded very well. We have some momentum here and I wasn't holding my trades the way I probably should have. So now the question is on IMVT, do we get a pullback to the EMA here? We have a red candle there. I'm hesitant to jump in it for the break. So this halt, this was a circuit breaker halt, SLNO at 634. So we'll look for resumption at 639. We'll see if IMVT pulls back here. I don't have a good level to play off of though. Maybe here. So we have a couple levels there. The stock market is bouncing a little bit. So there's a 2-bar pullback on the 1 minute time frame. We're looking for a higher low. So if I jump in that there and now look for the move up, I'll move my stop loss up to the low of that candle. Look to hold that level. I'm risking about $16 on this trade. LA, excuse me. Looks like LABU making a move there. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if IMVT is going to hold that support. FEMY, FEMY got halted. So they got stopped out on IMVT there. But I'm back in it because it is showing signs of holding that support level. There we go, up through 35. Yeah, I don't know. I'm back out of it. I'm going to wait. Let's see if it makes a move. Got to make a believer of me here first. It's a 5-minute inside bar. We are coming off of the EMA. Talking about IMVT here. I'm back in it based on this fact that we are here at the EMA. Volume doesn't look too bad. I've got my stop loss at the low. I'm going to add to that. Oh, resumption over here. I wasn't watching SLNO. It resumed lower. And did it just halt again? That is some weird price action. No, it didn't halt yet. But let's try it and let's see if we can get the move up and another halt. So there goes IMVT. Just don't like SLNO. I'm all out of everything right now. IMVT, I got out of this trade below this resistance. I'm looking for the possibility of an equilibrium. Look at SLNO here. Oh, nice break. Man, this one is strong, isn't it? There goes SLNO. Coming up to that resistance. Oh, rejected. Come back out. Big drop there. Yeah, I'm not in a hurry, so it's not a race to trade these. I'm up 154 still. I feel like I haven't done the best job today. But this, how do you anticipate this? This is weird stuff here. IMMT. Let's see if we get the follow through on this one. Coming up to $37. Nice. Sold half of it, put my stop loss here. I'll just sell the rest of it there on that move. So now looking at consolidation here. Coming down towards that EMA. So I jumped in it there at that EMA. I don't know. Whoops. Trying to get out of it in time there. So there's 5-minute consolidation now. Previous support, a little late getting in it. got back out. I just didn't like it. So let me see here. I'm going to get rid of that line. Support down here. So LABU is breaking out there. Coming up against $4. Okay, LABU watching it here for that breakthrough 4. So that's a nice break. I'm looking for a bounce off of this support on IMVT. So I'm in this once, and then I'm holding LABU for a little bit. LABU is slow to move. Gonna have a new 5-minute candle coming up. I just added to IMVT. Went ahead and took the profit on LABU there. So I'm all out of that one. So we have our high of day up here at 37.26. High of that last 15-minute candle is at 36.10. Jump out of LABU, and now it's starting to pull back. Yeah, the market itself, oh, I didn't see that. So the stock market is actually pulling back too. And SLNO, man, that's been halted for a while. Hey Andrew, how you doing? Yeah, good action. Some crazy action, huh? Oops, I'm gonna get back out of that. So I was right initially. Look for an equilibrium on this. Support down here. I'm gonna buy that. And a resistance up here. Yeah, it's nice to see some things actually moving for a change. See the market overall, we are looking at coming down close to that low of yesterday. So can we hold that support and bounce from there? Yeah, I saw SLNO pre-market. I really wanted to get in pre-market on that. I haven't traded pre-market in quite a while. I bought SLNO here off of that volume weighted average price. So we'll see if we bounce from there. I don't like this. What I'm looking for here is that 5-minute higher low and higher high. This isn't really the look I was going for here. So I got back out of it. All right. Well, SLNO here. Yeah, catch you tomorrow, Andrew. Thanks for watching. Good job today, by the way. All right, so now starting to get the move here on IMVT. I'm going to add to it. Nice move here so far on SLNO. I'm looking to see if if this is going to be our low today off of the volume weighted average price, and if we're going to get a big move up. So I'm in it a few times looking for that big move. Kind of built myself a position there. So yeah, SLNO is halted. I'm also in a position, couple of positions here on IMVT, looking for this to be our higher low. But we'll see. The market is dropping again. Selling part of my position there on SLNO because of that size of that pullback. So SLNO got halted at 657. So at 702 should be resumption. Oh, I'm back out of IMVT. Well, I don't know. I keep thinking I should be in it though. I know it's been strong. So I'm back in it one time there. All right, so what time is it? 7:01. So I'm going to be looking for resumption here on SLNO. And I'm hopeful it doesn't resume lower like last time. I'm in it twice. I'm watching. Oops. Resumed flat. I sold half of it while I had some profit on it there. See if it pulls back. I'm watching IMVT there. It's a nice little setup. If it can break. If it can break. It doesn't look like it's going to though. So there goes SLNO. Probably halted again now. So I am in another halt on SLNO. Looking for a break on IMVT over 3506. Boy, IMVT really struggling. A lot of resistance overhead. I'm not really into LABU. Oh, watch IMVT here. So I'm in it a couple of times. And I was going to put Siri up here. Siri. I don't know if I like that one so much. So I'm watching IMVT on our little breakout here. Can it hold up? I'm back out. That was disappointing. So all of that, and it just failed. SLNO got halted at 703, so we're looking at 708 resumption. IMVT finally breaking out. I'm all out of it there. Whoops, I accidentally shorted it. Don't want to do that. My stop is a little tight. I'm going to flatten that back out. There's their resumption on SLNO. See if we get another move up. There it is. I'm going to flatten it right there. So I've had a rather crazy day. I was up over 200, lost it all, went down 300, and now I'm back up over 200 again. And so that's where I'm going to stop because I've been trading for well over a half an hour. And that's that's enough for me. At my daily goal, I'll be happy with that. IMVT looks like maybe there's more gas in the tank here. Nice little pullback to this area here, but no, that's going to do it for me. I'm up $215.03. Hard fought battle for me. I think my high of day was 250. Oh, whoops, that'd be my low of day. Negative 365, and my high of day was 250. So check out that candle. Long lower wick. Made a nice recovery. Finished up towards my high. So I'm up at $40,500 now in the account. I am $1,500 away from hitting that phase 4 target. Nice. Not bad. So I'm done trading. I'm going to close my trading windows. And that's it for me. Thank you for watching me here at Eva Trades. I know sometimes it's probably a little boring because I'm not talking much, not explaining a lot. And if you're watching on your cell phone, it's probably very hard to see. Look at this nice breakout. See, that was that zone that we pulled back to. This area here. Nice pullback to it. The EMA is there. And now here we go. Looking like we're going to break out on that one. So not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, that's going to do it for me. I'll see you here back here first thing tomorrow morning on Wednesday. Take care. Bye now.